Shelby, I'm 11. I'm Hope and I'm 11.
How the life jacket feels, ladies?
Okay, that was really good.
Yeah. We've participated in service projects that included painting structures at a soccer field for a school, and it's been a remarkable experience for our students, some of which have never left the country before in the United States, and now they have met friends in Costa Rica.
And I think it's really cool to get to do all this stuff and get to really help people. I think it's really we're so lucky to have this opportunity. We came to Costa Rica for a week. It's Friday, we came on Saturday, we're leaving tomorrow. And we've done like zip lining and service projects. We went to a waterfall. And today we get to meet our pen pals.
I'm a teacher at the New School Montessori in Cincinnati, Ohio. And this trip has been a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for myself and my kids at school who came here. We've discovered things we didn't know about. We've discovered values that we can give to others through true nature education. It's been a wonderful learning experience in many ways, between the culture and the rainforest and learning about plants and trees and animals, and I truly value the opportunity and the pleasure it's been to be here in this great country.
In regards to our program back in Cincinnati, our Montessori philosophy, one of the emphasis in that philosophy is to have a global perspective, an understanding that we are all connected through relationships, not just from person to person, but from person to the world around them. And True Nature really allows that type of relationship to foster. And it's been a perfect match for our school, and we look forward to coming back for many more trips in the future.
Wish for world peace will one day come true. The candle for peace, light a candle. You're just gonna sing peace around the world. You know, you're the only people singing around the world. Sing peace around the world. Sing peace around the world.
So when you sing that